All right, today I've got this Rehabilitation robot glove. So this is for great if you've got issues with your hand, or you've had surgery, or maybe stroke victims that need to exercise the hand and get usage back in it. So it comes with the power unit here and the glove itself. This is an upgrade. It comes with a mirror strap here. So what this does is this can be put in the opposite hand, or can also be used by someone else, a loved one, doctor, rehab person, to be able to make the hand work as well, and to be able to mirror what the person wearing this glove does. So we'll show you that. It also comes with a little exercise ball as well to be able to grip and to squeeze. So we'll show you how this works. There's a power cord that comes with it. So you plug it in to that power cord. And then the glove itself comes in different sizes, so make sure you get the right size. You'll have to measure your hand, because you do need it to fit fairly snug on your hand. So this one is for left hand, so they come depending on the hand you need. And so as you put it in, you got to put your fingers in and make sure that the tips of your fingers go all the way to the top as you put your hand in there. You don't want there to be any gaps. So put that on, pull all the way up, and then you have the pull these gaps as far down as you can on your finger. And then you tighten the strap across the wrist, and then this strap across the hand. So it fits nice and tight. And then this plugs in right here on the bottom, or on the bottom of it there. And so you've got the little notch there. Just make sure and match that up. And just put that in. Then there's a little power button here on the side. So you turn that power on. So turn that on. It does show you the battery, so you can charge this if you keep it plugged in. Get this charged. It shows you your time, how long you've been using it. You've got different modes. You've got an auto mode, mirror mode, and soft mode. So you can change those just by pushing the mode button here. You can go up and down depending on how much force you want in it, as well as you can play and pause. You can also pick which fingers just by touching this, showing which fingers you want to exercise. And so as you start playing the mode, you see that it'll automatically start exercising those fingers by opening it and straightening it out, stretching it out. You get the machine kind of working there. I can add other fingers to it as well. So kind of just let that machine work it. And we'll stretch them back out just by adding air through these on the back. And so the mirror mode, stop this here. So if you put this in just across somebody's palm here, there's instructions here that kind of show you everything to use. Okay, so we are in the mirror mode. We've selected the mirror, and we push this palm here to give all the fingers. And so whoever's using the thing in the mirror, if you squeeze it, there's a button in there. As you push it, push play, and then if you push that, it will cause the hand to squeeze, and then let go, it will stretch it back out. And you can just kind of continue to do that. So it kind of helps, creates an interaction between the rehabilitator or family member and the person needing to do the exercise. So kind of a nice feature there. The other nice thing about this is you can save your settings. So if you have a setting, an exercise that worked well, you can save that by hitting that save button. And then when you come back to do your exercise again, all the settings are the same. You don't have to reset it. So great. A rehabilitation glove if you need that, or have a family member that's had a stroke or needs help exercising that hand and get it back to full use. Give this one a try.